explain why hiring me as your mechanical engineer that will design and maintain the power plant of machines and equipments in your industries. Currently, I am completing my degree of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering at Malayan Colleges, Laguna, under the Department of Mapua Institute of Technology. I have a great educational background in basic engineering, problem solving, troubleshoots, and also expert in the use of plate machine. And I am good at machine design using the advanced technology like AutoCAD. Along with my technical skills, I did attend a lot of seminars about green energy, safety engineering, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC lectures. I'm affiliate of the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers and the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineer. My past experience has also taught me to be a great collaborative team player. And my relationship building and communication skills have been admired by my prior colleagues. For further information or personal interview, you can contact me at your most convenient time. This is my email address leo.anuevo@yahoo.com or call me on 0908-6553-270 and then we can discuss the qualifications. Thank you for your time and consideration. I do appreciate. Once again, Leomar Anuevo.